Hi, it's Derek and we're back at Hitchcocks. The development and launch of new motorcycles from Royal Enfield seems relentless, with this motorcycle being no exception, the new Super Meteor 650. It represents a radical change in styling for Royal Enfield, taking design cues from the style of American motorcycles with a relaxed riding position and more emphasis on comfort and style. This type of bike lends itself to touring, but with it comes the priorities of luggage and safety and protection, but without the compromise of being overweight. So to that end, we have a very well respected Italian manufacturer of aftermarket parts. They're based in Italy, and they've developed a range of products for this bike that address those needs of the luggage, of the protection, but more importantly, they've been quite innovative in the loss of weight with these products. So who are they? We debated in the office whether they're called Givi or Givi. Well, I can say with confidence that they are called Givi. And what I'd like to do today is take you through some of the products that they've developed for this motorcycle. We've chosen a few of our favourites today to show you, but don't forget there is a whole host of products available from our website which you can look at after the video. So let's take a look at what's on offer. This is the new Givi Weightless range. We've got the top box. It's made from a thermoforming process with ABS plastic. Expandable from 29 litres to 34 litres. It has a locking mechanism on it and it uses the classic Givi monolock system. It takes much more than it looks like it does, which I'll demonstrate in a minute. When you open it, there's a waterproof liner inside to protect anything you may put in there in inclement weather. It has luggage straps for holding anything down that you put in, but also, and the particular feature I liked, it's expandable. So with a second zip, you can increase the size. And to demonstrate that, I've got a helmet here, which we were all debating, will it go in? So there's the helmet. I'm just going to pull that over and you'll see that isn't a snug fit, that is a generous fit in there. And of course, you've got the ability to lock the zips into the provided lock on this. So let's move around to the side pannier system. I like these, they're 25 litre. What is particularly nice about them is they have this hinge mechanism, which means they don't drop all the way down and everything falls out on the floor when you stop. It comes with a waterproof liner, and again, these luggage support straps that we saw earlier in the top box as well. Again, they're made from a light material, and also the fact that we talked about it with the other one, both these zips go into a locking mechanism so that you can lock the front if you leave it on the bike and you go away from it. It has the monolock system, so again, this is also lockable, as is the top box. The other thing is, as soon as we saw these on the bike, we knew they were a perfect fit. Typical Italian styling, it absolutely complements the flow of the bike, but they actually enhance the look of it too. They don't look like something that's been added. They look like they belong there, and we all sort of agreed with that when we first saw it. One of the questions we're asked the most is, how easy is it to work with the monolock system? Well, I can show you that. Just turn the key and it's off. At the back of the case, you'll see the monolock system there, 3 position points, 1 at the top, 2 at the bottom. These marry up with the 3 position points on the framework. And how easy is it to put back on? Simple. Just line it up at the bottom, push it forward and snap it into position. And there you have it. Again, to demonstrate the monolock system with the top box, turn the key, lift up, pull back, and the system's off. Turning over, similar mechanism again, 3-point. This marries up with the top plate, 3 points on the top plate. Very simple, very easy. Just line it back up at the bottom, push forward and click down and it's back on. So now we've seen how the monolock system works with the top box and the side panniers. Let's take a look at the frames. I'll take these off so we can get a better look. I think the first thing to say about the panniers is that you don't have to have the top box rack to use the side panniers, and vice versa. You can use the top box rack without the side panniers. So that's the versatility of it. Another point to remember, which we all picked up on as well, is when the side panniers are off, this framework doesn't detract from the look of the bike. It actually looks part and parcel of it. And don't forget, question we're always asked, will the monolock system work with other side panniers? We've got other side panniers. I'll just get one over, you can see. This is the hard ABS one, and again, it goes on in the same manner as the other box did to fit on the side of the bike. Okay, so moving forward on the bike, we come to the tank bag. Really well made, some nice features. It's got 2 side pockets, one either side. You've got a telephone holder that's detachable, so you can take that off. You've got the 2 zips to open up. Again, you've got a waterproof cover with this one, so that will completely cover it. It's got a viewing area through the top, so you could still see your phone. And it also comes with 4 straps. The tank bag is normally attached with 4 very strong magnets, but also if you've got a bike where it's not practical to do so, you can use the straps, or indeed for belt and braces, you could use the straps as well as those. Once you're done, zip it up. If you're leaving the bike and you want to take this with you, it's also got a very handy carrying strap on it, so you can actually walk around with that. So great feature there, good design from Givi. So moving from the tank bag, we come to the engine protector bars. Couple of features about these for me. One is they're very stylish. I think they add to the look of the bike. They don't break the line of the bike up, but also in minor spills or drops, they help to protect the engine casings. They've got a really nice finish to them, and also 2 points to fix. So very simple, very easy to do at home. So all in all, great product, really lifts the look of the bike. So this is the Givi windscreen, made in Italy, made specifically for this bike. This isn't a universal fit. It's got quite a big surface area. It's curved in both planes, side to side and top to bottom. So when you're riding in inclement weather, or any type of weather for that matter, you've got this nice bubble behind it that's protected. Very stylish, typical Givi, typical Italian styling. Doesn't detract again from the look of the bike. Looks like it was meant to be there. Doesn't look out of place at all. In terms of fixing points, there are 4 each side. 2 for the bike each side and 2 for the screen each side. Very solid, giving a really good fix on the machine. So just to recap, we've shown you some of our favourites today, but remember, this isn't everything. There are soft pannier rails, there are backrests that can go on. The link's in the description. Take a look on our website. There are a whole host of products for this bike.